This video is brought to you by Barbershop Experts, where your brand comes first. If you're looking to expand your brand with a website or a mobile app, head over to barbershopexperts.com right now, where they got plans as low as $50 a month. And guess what? It's only $100 to get started. You heard me right, $100 to get started. It gets no better than that. Barbershopexperts.com, where marketing is made easier.
We see them a lot, blinking, I still see the shots. I feel like I'm all alone. Family, all that we got, growing up, ain't have a lot here just to get what we.
Sean, you tell him to fade. Show him to fade a little bit on the side. Sean, we ain't had no guards. We had all that homemade from scratch. Just one comb. One comb, y'all. Hold on. One. You see the finger? One comb. There you go.
One comb.
All right, the dope thing about this video, before we get started, I'm going to let you know something. I work with the tools that's given with me. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's given to me. I only had one comb in this video. I'm in the middle of transitioning. In this video, I was actually in the middle of transitioning from a basement barbershop to a full-blown suite. I started a sneaker resale business. I'm getting that off the ground. My lady does lashes. We're getting her off the ground. We got so much going on, but in the midst of that, I'm still bringing content. I'm still staying consistent. So please, man, I want to thank y'all, and I want to continue to thank y'all for tuning in, because it doesn't stop. I'm going to continue to drop content. But in this video, like I said, I'm gonna teach you how to do a hair unit today, man. I'm gonna teach you how to take $30 and make it to $200, because at the end of the day, as barbers, we stand on our feet all day. You know what I'm saying? We're now getting able to be in a position where we can make more money with our craft, meaning, you know, you don't have to cut heads for $30 anymore. There are some procedures out there where you can make money, but you just have to continue to learn and continue to be a student. And watch me while I put him together. Alright, so this is the cut. As you can see, man, he looking good, man. I took him back maybe 20 years, maybe 25, man. He went bald 15 years ago, you know, so this is a good look to be able to put somebody, you know, back together like this, you know, on a small budget. I think this is dope. It don't take long. I've got this down to about an hour and a half. You see where he came from, how he came in here looking, and then now you see how he's leaving. Like I said, man, let's continue to grow. Continue to be the teacher and the student. Continue to humble yourself. Continue to get this money, man. And let's always remember, success brings money. Money does not bring success. We're not chasing the money. The money comes to me. Let's get it.